equal priority in some cases in concurrent triangulation design. Sometimes you can give quantitative emphasis, quant big, quail small. However, if it is qualitative emphasis, you will give priority to qualitative, and then quantitative will be less. So concurrent means quail plus quant equal priority, quant emphasis, and sometimes it may be quail emphasis. So it depends, okay, type of design. So concurrent triangulation means you do them together. However, concurrent embedded means there is no equal priority. However, sometimes quant might be big quant mean you are giving high priority to quant, and quail big mean you are giving high priority to quail. And even in explanatory sequential also, you do quant and then quail. Quant sometimes can be big, quail sometimes can be small. Oh, in some cases, quail can be small, quant can be bigger. So you get, according to the priority also, it differs. So these are the different type of design. Sometimes you can give equal priority, sometimes you do not give them equal priority. Even in explanatory, exploratory, quail and quant equal priority, one after other, or you do quail smaller section of quail and then you do bigger section of quant, priority to quant. And in this case, well, in this way, there are different type. So how much priority you give and in which way you are assessing, that matters, either concurrent, sequential, or quail emphasis or quant emphasis. This is convergent design. What is that design? Mixed method is convergent design. Mean you do quantitative and qualitative together and you merge and integrate the answer together. It means qual and quant are done together and you merge the answer. In that case, the sampling should be, many researchers, they say equal number of qualitative and quantitative samples so that you could merge. But many cases, that might not be possible because how many quantitative you do, that many qualitative might not be possible in reality, practicality. But what the theory said? But the theory said do as many qualitative as quantitative in conversion. However, in reality, that many people will not give you qualitative answer. That many people will not be able to be ready for interview and focus group as many quantitative you did. So, but the theoretically number of samples should be same for quail and quant. However, in practicality, that is not possible. So you should be able to answer what sample size in convergent. If possible, equal sample size. However, it's not possible every time. Now, explanatory design. As I tell you, explanatory means first you do quantitative, you do survey, you test your result. Now, why that result is coming? Now you wanted to explore more on that. Your survey result is there. Now you want to find out reason behind that. So you do interview FGD after that quantitative. So that is a explanatory. In that case, first quantitative has last sample. Of course, in quantitative, you follow the all quantitative principle. Your sample size formula, your power calculation. You do the sampling as you did in quantitative. Now, from that sample, before completion of sample, you will ask, are you ready to do follow-up interviews? At the end, you can ask those people who are ready to interview with them after your result comes. Analyze the result and then do a follow-up interview. Why that is happening? Why this is happening? Why this test is significant? You wanted to answer that in detail. So you do qualitative after the quantitative. So the sample size will be high in the beginning, quantitative, but you will take the same population but less, few people out of those in the explanatory design. It's in the second step, it's purposive. Who wanted to respond you? Or who need to respond you, it depends upon that. So, exploratory means you do few qualitative. Because you do qualitative first, you explore something, you find your items, you find your questionnaire, and now you design your questionnaire. Now you have to test. Now with those 5-10 people, you can't test. So in the second stage, those quantitative sample can be different people. It might be, yes, those 5 people can also be there, but you try to have more people, mean the number will be high. In the second phase of quantitative, you try to take response from many people as possible. However, in explanatory, your size is greater in the beginning. In the second phase, from the same size you are funneling and doing, small sample size from the bigger population, same bigger population, same respondent, few only. That is for explanatory. However, in explanatory, small sample, now you test with bigger people. You're opening your funnel now. Previously you were closing, now opening. Your size will be, number will be high. In this case, second phase quantitative. However, in both qualitative and quantitative phases, you have to follow the norms of qual and quant. You have to, if you don't follow, then your method is not mixed method. And another is embedded, where qual and